Hi, Gray, or Gary, sorry. Thank you, who's this, for the token? Hi, cutie. Hi, thank you. Thank you again, who's this, for the token? You are hotter than a bowl of soup in the sun. Thank you, Purpose Daisy. That was cute. Thank you. Hi, Greg. Welcome. What are you guys up to today? What's today? Today's Saturday. Yeah, what are you guys up to? Let me know what your guys' weekend plans are. I would love to hear it. Gorgeous. Aw, thank you. Thank you, guys.